Hello and welcome back to AI Fitness Formula. Today we're talking about one of the most important topics in fitness, the best foods for muscle growth. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you've been training for a while, what you eat plays a massive role in how quickly and effectively your muscles grow. So let's break it down step by step. The power of protein. When it comes to building muscle, protein is king. Muscles are literally made up of protein, so without enough of it, your body simply can't grow or repair after workouts. Some of the best high-protein foods include chicken breast, low in fat, high in lean protein. Fish, like salmon, tuna, and cod. They not only provide protein, but also healthy fats like omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and improve recovery. Eggs, one of the most complete protein sources available. The yolk also gives you vitamins like B12 and D, which are essential for muscle repair. Lentils and beans, a great choice for vegetarians and vegans. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Aim to get 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight every day if you're serious about muscle growth. Don't forget carbohydrates. Many people think carbs are the enemy, but in reality, carbs are your fuel. When you lift weights or do intense exercise, your muscles burn glycogen, which comes from carbohydrates. Without enough carbs, your energy drops, your performance suffers, and your muscles won't grow effectively. Some great carb sources for muscle building include brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, quinoa, whole wheat bread or pasta. Eating carbs before your workout gives you the energy to lift heavy, and eating them after your workout helps refill your glycogen stores, speeding up recovery. Healthy fats matter. Fats are often misunderstood, but they play a key role in hormone production, especially testosterone, which is critical for building muscle. Great sources of healthy fats are avocados, nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, chia seeds and flax seeds. Adding these foods into your diet ensures your body stays in balance and your muscles get the nutrients they need to grow stronger. Don't ignore vegetables and micronutrients. Now, protein, carbs, and fats are your big three. But let's not forget vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens, colorful vegetables and fruits provide antioxidants, fiber, and important nutrients that keep your body functioning smoothly. For example, spinach and kale give you iron and magnesium for better. Muscle contraction. Bananas and oranges provide potassium for hydration and recovery. Berries are rich in antioxidants to reduce muscle soreness. So think of veggies and fruits as your secret weapon for recovery and overall health. 5. Hydration and extra tips. Muscle growth isn't just about what you eat, but also about what you drink. Water is essential. Dehydration can reduce strength by up to 20%. Milk is another great option since it provides both protein and carbs, making it a natural post-workout drink. And if you struggle to hit your protein goals, you can add a protein shake or whey supplement. But remember, real food should always be your first choice. So to sum it all up, get enough protein from chicken, fish, eggs, beans, or lentils. Use carbs as fuel for your workouts and recovery. Add healthy fats for hormone balance. Eat plenty of vegetables and fruits for vitamins and minerals. And never forget to stay hydrated. If you combine these foods with consistent training and enough sleep, you'll see amazing results in your muscle growth and overall fitness. Thanks for watching AI Fitness Formula. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered fitness tips.